Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Ford Explorer 2006. We need to program a computer. What happened to the first computer?
I'm not too sure. I don't know. I'm not.
The customer just need to replace it.
No, I think they said something like something grounded out and damaged part of it or something, and setting a set of whole heap of codes. As you clear it, it come right back.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Need like something stronger. So they have a computer that they manufacture. We need to program. Actually, they need two keys. So I have to be sure that there is a software already inside based on the VIN number. If it's not, then I have to bring another software. Hello, how are you? That's what I was about to tell you, watch those things, they don't jump. Okay, let me see. Cover for the one. Okay, I'm going to see if I have the VIN number. Just if I have the VIN number in, that'll be good. Turn the ignition on. That light is stay steady. See there. You go off, but I don't know. Be sure that connection is good. I don't have nothing here. Okay. Sometime you have to cancel. Let me go home. Start it again. I need communication. VCI good. Maybe I need another one. Ford US. Okay, 556. Yes, that means this computer is good. They already programmed with the VIN number. Let me see if I can crank it. Nothing. You see that light is stay on, right? It go off, but it's not good. So I'm gonna go to Ford Explorer 26. Blade key. Yes. Control unit. No. Scan. I'm gonna scan the IMO. And then I will do parameter reset. IMO learning. No. All key lost. Okay. They say 10 minutes success. Turn on the key. You can erase everything. Okay. So I'm going to turn the first key. Turn the ignition on. The light bulb is here somewhere. Maybe this or what is? I'm gonna see it in the window. Turn it on. See there? It never go off. You're gonna take it out, take the key out. Now we're gonna put the next one. If you turn it, light's supposed to go off. Turn it on. Light go off. Now take it out again. Put the next one. Before with this one the light never go off. So now I'm gonna turn it. You see light's supposed to go off. Good. So the car's supposed to start 1, 2, 3. This one start. Maybe we have alarm on it. Okay, let's use this one. If it doesn't crank, that means something is wrong. Okay, let me do something. Exit. Emo learning. Parameter set here. That one we never let it go. Ignition is on. To do parameter reset. Wow, it's not a key program. It's accessible. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do it. Turn it on again. Crank. Crank. Start. So you have to do the key, ignition key. Okay. And that's it. So don't forget to do parameter reset. Just programming the key or erase all key will not work. You have to do parameter reset. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video. See you in another video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thanks.